Welcome to Lesson 6 of HTML with Coduo. Up until now, we've pretty much covered all the tags and elements you'll be using very often. Again, don't worry if you're forgetting some of the tags from earlier lessons. We'll review everything a few times. Another important and very commonly used tag is the image tag. Images are represented by the image tag. Just like the A tag, the image tag has an attribute that lets you determine where the image is coming from. This attribute is source. For example, if you wanted to import an image from some website, you would use image source equals the URL of the image. If you are building a website in a code editor on your computer rather than our editor in the browser, you could also import an image from a folder on your computer. To do this, you'd simply put in the location of the image on your computer in the source attribute. For example, image source equals documents/images/sam.png. You may have noticed something else unique about the image tag. It doesn't need a closing tag. It makes sense when you think about it. You'd never wrap text or something else in an image. For this reason, the image tag does not require a closing image tag, but is closed in one tag, also referred to as a self-closing tag. So, we've learned how to link to different websites using text, and we've learned how to add an image. But what if we want to link that image? Very similarly to linking somewhere using text, you wrap or surround your image tag with A tags. This makes the image clickable and will send users to the href you provided. Make your image link to a location to complete your lesson objective.